So we're gonna go check out Target real quick. We're gonna see what we see. Yeah, it's a vlog. Just doing a vlog, sis. Doing a vlog. So we're gonna go check that out. See, she told me that this Foot Locker right next to here has Yeezys. I don't know. We need to go check it out.
You want to go to the Foot Locker and see if they have Yeezys?
I want to see if they have Yeezys.
You go ahead and check.
Oh, you want to go now?
Yeah, we can go now.
Yeah, we could go now because it's like right here. So we're gonna go check to see if they have Yeezys. Those are dope. These are, I like these because these are influenced with the 11s. Looks like the 11s and the 7s, but these I would definitely cop right here.
I know, I like those too.
Yeah, because they look like the breads.
No, and we get so mad. She's like, I got you. I thought they were cute when they came out. I was like, but
Check this out.
I'm gonna go with.
I like these too. I'd rock these.
I know, I like them too because they're all black.
Yeah, they got the 13 bottoms. They got the 11. Then they look like the 12s up here. That's pretty sick. So we just went to Foot Locker and she lied.
I didn't lie.
She lied. There was no Yeezys there.
I didn't lie.
They were off the Yeezy folks. She's that little piece, baby. So we're gonna go check out Target real quick. We're gonna see what we see. Yeah, it's a vlog. See all these stuff right here. $10 for these. That's not bad. That's pretty cool right there. What'd you find, sis?
Poison ivy.
Let me see. Oh, snaps. That's some good stuff. Oh, snaps. The Amigo. Now this is old school. $10 too.
Look at the other ones in the back. Mom would know those.
Oh my God. That's some classic right there. Look at Charmed, Brady Bunch.
Yeah, that's what's back there, Charmed.
Action Jackson. Wow.
Wow. Here's our.
Okay.
Hold on.
Boom. Look at Jack, dude.
I know.
Okay. Thank you. Hello? Hey, Dad. No drinking.
Pac-Man.
Oh, I know. I'm in an alright mood. Like, I'm in a good mood, guys. Yeah, no, never again. I might have like 2 beers, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I don't plan to get wasted. I just joked around about getting wasted. Yeah, no, I'm good. Oh, I am. I'm pretty clear here. Me and Dita are looking at Funko Pops right now. We're laughing.
¿Me compró uno?
Huh?
Sacar, sacar.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll be there shortly.
¿Estás muriendo?
All right, then.
Este lo hiciste.
Bye.
Este lo hiciste. ¿Sabes que es el aire, manete? Bien. Sí, ahorita es spoiler. Ahorita es spoiler. Dicen que...
Oh. Yo, what's up, guys? So we went to Walgreens real quick because we had to pick up some stuff, but they got some new stuff here, so let's check it out. We got the Ted DiBiase, Enzo. Okay, those ones. This is the new one. I haven't seen this one before. Here, Hawkeye, Jango Fett. I don't think I've seen this one before. And then all these other ones are the same exact ones as before. I don't think there's anything different. Yeah, everything else is pretty much the same. The Jango Fett looks pretty dope though. I like the way he looks. I'll get it with the box. This box is in pristine. This is pretty cool right here. I like these. I got the Power Rangers right here. Avengers, here's the X-Men, Gambit. Dang, that's pretty dope. Beast. Dude, look at that face. Oh, Beast is so dope. That's pretty much all they have. So we're right here at Walmart, and look what I passed. I thought I'd check it out real quick and see what's going on, see if we can find anything. Hopefully we find something. It'd be pretty dope to get something because I haven't had anything in a long time. So let's see what they got. Morty's first. Nothing I can see that I really care for. I like this Morty right here. I think he's pretty pimp though. Got a lot of Beth, or I'm sorry, Summer. I don't know why I call her Beth. These are pretty dope right here. Harden. Bo Peep. Funko wise, there's nothing. These Rick and Morty ones, which are cool. And then we got the Pez dispensers. So first thing pops up is Oogie Boogie. That's pretty dope. Harry Potter. They got some right here too. Jack. Oh, look at this Ghost Rider one. That's pretty sick. I haven't got any of the Pez ones. It has to be like something spectacular for me to get. That's pretty cool too. If I would get one, it'd probably be Oogie Boogie and Beast. They're right here. They have these. That's pretty much right here. Has anybody did any reviews on these yet? Yo, if you guys want me to do a review on one of these and cop one of these, let me know. See, I kind of want this, but I want the Street Fighter one. So let me know if you guys want me to do reviews on those. I'll do it. And I saw this. That's pretty dope. Not for $22 though. What's up, baby? What's up, guys? We're right here at Marshalls. So we're gonna do a little quick see what we can find. Hopefully we find something that'd be pretty. What was this? Look at that. Princess Leia for $3.99. That's not bad. $4.99 for this. Princess Leia $3.99, bud. That's not bad. The Hello Kitty the girls would love. What is this? Hairdress dryer in here. Like when you go through here, you gotta like really look because they usually hide all the good stuff way back here. Oh shoot, look at this. It's pretty dope. There we go, better. See if we see anything good. Anything good, anything good. I'm debating whether or not to go get that Princess Leia. I don't have that one, so it'd be pretty cool for $3.99. I think that's a pretty good deal. Yeah, I don't like those. All right, I'm gonna look in here and see if I can find something. This right here is pretty cool for $11.99. So we're right here at JCPenney's and I just came across a bunch of cool stuff. So this is some of the stuff they got. Captain Marvels. A lot of Captain Marvel, dude. I think the whole wave is here. That is dope. Spider-Man. I like that Spider-Man. Damn. $30. Jeez. The markup is serious, bro. This Black Panther right here is really dope. I eventually want to get one of these. $65. Look at this one. This is so dope. They got some other stuff down here. Jake the Snake. $16.99. Oscar. Oops. Let's see what else we can find.